big for it. There's more. Hello Internet, my name's Lana and it's gonna be a fun time. Argentina.
By made, she means forced.
Yeah,
I'm an exchange man or
You got this, Ruby. Oh. Ooh. So we've already spent all of our money, but we did get one special thing.
So she's decided that she's going to handcuff us together.
I cannot lose these. If I lose these, we're screwed. Ah, they're so cheap. Oh, that's tight. We won them at the gun shooting thing.
Oh,
We're out of money.
I don't know if you want to be in it.
We've got another pair.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to stand over there?
Yeah, okay.
Again. Come on. Come on.
Oh, that wild horse ride. You've got this! 35! We might be trapped forever. It's not coming undone.
Better not be stuck. Do not throw that away. No. Don't take no. Please help. Please help me.
Don't leave us here.